How to add multiple pictures on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll right here. Then, go to the Photos section as shown. After that, go to the bottom and tap on Select Multiple. Now select as many photos as you want. Then, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. You can also edit them as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next to proceed. Following these steps, you can easily add multiple pictures on TikTok.